Hi all and welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, December 26th. It's Boxing Day in Canada and I'm going to Yorkville to see how it looks like during the holidays. I want to show you people, I want to show you buildings, I want to show you decorations, everything that is on my way. We're in downtown Toronto right now. Manulife Center is behind me and let's go and see how it looks like Yorkville on Boxing Day 2025. And let's go. So right now we're in downtown. It's Bloor and Bay Street. It's a very snowy day. We had a snowstorm. It's getting better now, but in the morning it was really windy and snowy. As you can see, sidewalks are cleaned here near Manulife Center. They are really good here. It's not very cold outside. Right now it's -1. It's 7 p.m. I'm just going to cross the street. You see the lights of Bloor Street. For people watching outside of Toronto or downtown, Canada, Bloor Street is one of the major streets in Toronto. And we're going to Yorkville, one of the most expensive neighborhoods and retail centers in all Canada. Has lots of very expensive stores, lots of beautiful, expensive condos. We're just going to see how it looks like during this snowstorm. It's a lot of people in downtown, so even though we have a holiday today, it's lots of stores are open because on Christmas everything is closed. Most of the shops closed, and today it's like a shopping day for many people. We see lots of sales. This is Roots, one of the beef retail Canadian stores. Has lots of sales, and most of the stores would have sales today. It's very beautiful outside, lots of lights, everything is so bright. Decorations in front of the store, it's Harry Rosen. And you know, I love when it's a fresh snow outside. It's all white. Some sidewalks are not clean, but it's okay because you know you cannot clean it during the snowstorm. And it's a very Christmas feeling. We didn't get White Christmas this year, but we got a really snowy, really snowy Boxing Day for Toronto. Of course, maybe if you're watching from Montreal, it could be more snow there, but for Toronto it's pretty snowy. It's very beautiful in Yorkville. It's a nice park here with lots of lights. Today is Friday, even though it's holiday and it's Friday, the restaurants are sitting empty. I think because people mostly have food at home because they cook for holidays, and so not much of the foot traffic here today, but it's beautiful because maybe one of the nights of the year when you can just film everything and don't see people in a frame, and almost no cars here. So I hope you all had a really good Christmas if you celebrate, and if not, happy holidays to you. Yeah, everything is half empty or half full depending on your mindset, but it's gorgeous. It's a nice tree there, decoration. I don't know why these are not on. It's a nice fountain in summer. I have a video here that I filmed in summer, or I think it was October, during Toronto International Film Festival. It's really nice here. Walking during this weather, I just need to be careful not to fall and break my camera. So nice here, so quiet. Can only hear myself and my footsteps. It's very beautiful. Decoration on top. I think everything is closed for the day because it's even though they were open today, it's a Boxing Day, so they have a different schedule today. So snowy. It's a lot of sludge, if you can see here. And this is a loud part of the Yorkville neighborhood. It's not that loud right now. It's quiet. But we'll go to the residential part of Yorkville and walk there a little bit, because Yorkville has two parts. One is a retail one with cafes, restaurants, art galleries, shops, and another one is residential. I call them a loud Yorkville because of how loud it is, especially in the summer, and a quiet Yorkville. But given the skid steer cleaning the snow there, this is the loud part now because it's very loud there and it's very quiet in the retail part of Yorkville. It's a nice neighborhood, especially when you go there here during the snowstorm. It has some cozy feeling here. I love it. No people at all. This is a magic of a fresh snow. I love it, especially when I don't have to clean it. When you have to clean it, it's a different story, but when you walk during this weather, I don't know about you, but I have this Let It Snow song in my head right now, or some other Christmas song in my head just playing, because the vibes are fantastic. It's really nice here. It's even if you have a truck during this weather, it could be harder to drive. When though it's a four-wheel drive. And this is a quiet part of Yorkville, more residential. It's very beautiful. It's single family homes mostly here. And I would love to live in one of these homes. It has both of two worlds. It's in downtown, so you have all the amenities ready for you on your, like, in your neighborhood and on your doorstep. And you have this quiet suburban feeling. Even if you can see the skyscrapers. One of them would be one of the tallest skyscrapers in Canada, maybe the tallest. But 5 minutes walk and you have this area. Some people decorate trees and houses, as you can see, but most of the houses are not decorated. But it's still beautiful. The colors here, the sounds. Never mind the snow cleaning machine there, but it's really magic here. I love it. Everything is quiet. I think people here just watching TV or I don't know, having fun with their loved ones. We have a long weekend in Canada, or I don't know, in Ontario. It's started yesterday because of the Christmas and today's Boxing Day, and we can look at this sculpture. It's really beautiful. It's like a windmill. There are still people passing by. Tomorrow, this magic would be gone because everything would be clean. People would rush to work or, I don't know, to do some activities, and the magic is poof and gone. And we just reached Davenport Street, end of Yorkville. End of this Christmas magic. Look how quiet and beautiful it's there. So nice.